Alright, the next step, you are going to come over here where it says the crop tool and you're going to select it. Then you are going to click and drag so that you have all of your image. If you get any of the background stuff, it's kind of okay. We're going to end up cropping everything out anyways, but the more white space you have, the easier the next step's going to be. So you're going to crop that. If you make a mistake and you crop out some of your image, you can always just go to a different corner and drag. So you can make sure you don't have a whole lot of empty space, and then hit enter. When you hit enter, it's going to look like this. Now you're going to go to Image, Rotate Canvas 90 degrees. If you rotate it the wrong way and it goes the other way, just rotate 180. So that's Image. You can either rotate 180, which will flip it, or rotate 90 to get it facing forward. So then what you need to do is we need to get rid of all the color information that is there. So we make sure it's a pure black and white image. So we're going to go to Adjustment, Desaturate. And it's going to, for the most part it is a black and white image, but we want it to be like completely black and white. No little pictures if you got any colored pencil or anything on yours. You don't want that to show up. So now that you have all that, you are going to Image, where is it? Sorry guys. Select all. So it's under Edit, Select All, and then you're going to hit Control C, which copies, and then you got that little screen that says copy. Then you're going to do File, New Image. Now, the preset clipboard is going to give you what to start with, so you want to double that width-wise. So it says it's 13, so 2 times 13 is 26. And height, you want to add a little bit, so that's 29, so let's make it 31. Give yourself a little bit of space. And you want it to be transparent, so make sure you click, double the width, add a little bit to the height, and you want to change the name. Name, you want it to be your name, Card. So S. Chesser Card. Whatever your first initial, last name, Card is. And then you're going to click OK. So that gives you a blank document that is nice and big. And then, whoa, I don't know what I just did. Hold on. There we go. I don't know. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to hit Control V, which is paste. So now your image is on there, and you'll notice that it's a layer. So you've got layer 0, which is your background, and you've got layer 1, which is your image. So at this point, I want you to File, Save. Just so you have it saved, you want the format not to be JPEG. You want the format to be PXD, which means it's a layered image. And then you're going to save it to your computer. So it's thinking. While it finishes thinking. So make sure if you didn't rename it, like I said to you a couple minutes ago, make sure at this point it says S. Chesser Card. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to click OK. Make sure you also save this to the desktop. Okay, and then save. Okay, so now your image is saved. You can move on to the next video.